Let us begin with today's lecture. Here in short, I will repeat once more what is latitude and departure. Okay, so whenever we do survey, our aim is to plot that survey. That is finally to prepare a map or plot that survey. Okay, so in prismatic compass traversing, what we did, we have used directly length and bearing of a line to plot the survey. But here we have to convert the length of a line into latitudes and departure, that is into coordinate, and then we will plot them. Okay, so don't be confused, just see, if we have a line, there may be many lines of a traverse like this, there may be many lines of traverse. Okay, we have to take one by one line. Here suppose this is line AB having certain length and angle, that is its reference bearing is theta. Okay, so just keep in mind what we are doing actually. What is latitude and departure? Its length along north and its north south, and what is actually latitude and departure? It is the length of a line. Latitude is length of a line parallel to north south, and departure is length of a line parallel to the east west direction. Sorry, here is it is the east and here it is the west. Okay, so what we have to do, we are just computing what is latitude. Latitude is nothing but L cos theta, that is along the north, and departure is the L sin theta along the east west. Just keep in mind, we are converting each line into latitude and departure by using latitude L cos theta and departure L sin theta, and based on the quadrant in which that line lies, we are going to give them sign. Okay, so here we are considering which is numerical. Just write it down. What is this numerical? Suppose we have done one survey. Okay, and these are the that lines, its length and bearing. And now what we have to do, we have to check if the traverse is closed or not, and calculate the independent coordinate and plot the traverse. This table, whenever we do the surveying, we know the length of the line and its angle. Okay, so how do we process this length and bearing of a line in this theodolite traversing? Okay, see, so I have made this table. So first time, I have told you many times what we do. First, we will convert these lines. Suppose these are the lines, this is the length, and this is the bearing. Okay, then we have to convert this bearing into the reduced bearing. Okay, so this is 30 degree, conversion of bearing into the quadrantal bearing or reduced bearing. If it is 30 degree, that is its this is north, and this is line making angle 30 degree. So what is its quadrantal bearing? This will be the north theta east. Same, if it is less than 90 degree, its quadrantal bearing remains quadrant bearing and whole circle bearing is the same. You know all these things. Just for sake, I will show you how. Just for revision, this is 307 degrees 50 minutes. Okay, so this is the line. What is the bearing of this line? Its line, the bearing is angle measured with respect to north in clockwise direction. This is its bearing, 307 degree 50 minutes. Okay, and then what is the quadrantal bearing or today's bearing? It is the angle measured with respect to north or south, whichever is nearer toward the east or west. This is east and this is west. So this line is near to north or south, near to north, and so we have to measure the quadrantal bearing of this line like this. North, what will be the bearing of this line? North, this angle theta, and west. Okay, so this angle is, it is complete is 360 degree. So this will, what will give 360 degree minus 307 degree Okay, this will come as a 52 degree 10 minutes, and its quadrant is northwest. I have written it. Okay, so first step, we have convert all the bearings into reduced bearing like this. Okay, so these are the reduced bearing of the line. Now what is the next step? We will compute the latitude and departure of the lines. Okay, so here is the latitude, that is L cos theta, and departure is the L sin theta. Okay, you try by using your calculators. What is the rear length? Length is 248 into cos of what is the reduced bearing? 30. Okay, so its value will come something. Okay, then departure L sin theta 248 into sine of 30. Why we have given plus sign? Because it is in northeast quadrant. Okay, so next we are computing latitude departure for line BC. What is length? 320 into cos of theta is 40. That is the reduced bearing of that is 40. Okay, that is coming to 45.13. And here again we are calculating departure 320 into sine of 40. That is coming 205.69. Okay, so here we will see sign. See, here it is south, so latitude will come minus, and departure is towards east. This is east, so it is positive. Okay, got it. North positive, south negative, east positive, and west negative. Okay, so next is line for line CD. What is the length of line CD? 180, and reduced bearing is 30 degrees. So what is this latitude L? That is 180 cos 30. Okay, and what is the departure? 180 sin 30. It is coming 155.88. It is coming minus 90. Okay, so what is the sign? It is in the southwest quadrant. So south is negative. Also latitude is negative, and also departure is also negative. Okay, next line is DA. What is its length? 303.5, and its quadrant will be 52 degree 10 minutes. So we calculate for this. It is coming 303.5 into cos of 52, and here 303 into sine of 52. And let us see what are the signs are coming. Here the value is coming 186.16, and here value is coming 239.70. And the signs will be, what is this bearing? It is northwest. Okay, so north, that is this line is north means positive, latitude positive, and west means departure is the negative. Okay, up to this clear. What we are doing only, we are putting the values of length and angle, and we are computing L cos theta and L sin theta, and we are giving the signs, and signs are based on the quadrant in which line lies. ओके, म्हणजे आपण काय केलं आधी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. आता हा टेबल तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. आपण कोणताही सर्वे करू तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल? लाईन इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपल्याला डाटा काय मिळेल? प्रत्येक लाईनची लेंथ मिळेल, तिचा अँगल मिळेल. ओके, तुम्हाला आता आपल्याला इथे काय करायचं? याला टेबल फॉर्मॅट मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, तर आपण टेबल मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला, लाईन लेंथ बिअरिंग. आपल्याला यासाठी काय लागतं? रिड्यूस बिअरिंग लागतं. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज रिड्यूस बिअरिंग? रिड्यूस बिअरिंग काय? इथे आपल्याला आपण या प्रत्येक बिअरिंगला हा जो आहे रिड्यूस बिअरिंग मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला. ओके, तर आपल्याला तुम्हाला रिड्यूस बिअरिंग मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येते. आपण मागच्या वर्षी शिकलो ते. ओके, सो हियर नॉर्थ आपल्याला प्रत्येक जे क्वाड्रंट सहित आपल्याला त्यांचं काय मिळालं? रिड्यूस बिअरिंग मिळालं. बरोबर. मग आपण काय केलं नंतर? त्याला लॅटिट्यूड म्हणजे काय? एल कॉस थीटा, डिपार्चर म्हणजे एल साइन थीटा. प्रत्येकाची लेंथ आणि अँगल आपण इनपुट केला इथे. 248 into cos 30, 240 into sin 30. आपल्याला काही व्हॅल्यूज मिळाल्या त्या आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केल्या, आणि साइन्स कशा दिल्या? बेस्ड ऑन दिस क्वाड्रंट. कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये लाईन आहे? तरी नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे, ज्याचं लॅटिट्यूड अलॉंग नॉर्थ राहील, डिपार्चर अलॉंग ईस्ट राहील. म्हणून काय केलं आपण? नॉर्थ पॉझिटिव्ह, ईस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणून ते दोन्ही प्लस साइन दिल्या. बरोबर. आता ही जी आहे नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द साऊथ 40 डिग्री ईस्ट. ठीक आहे, तर आता इथे काय साइन येईल? इथे अलॉंग साऊथ आहे. साऊथ आहे म्हणजे लॅटिट्यूड काय अलॉंग साऊथ येईल, म्हणजेच ते निगेटिव्ह साइन येईल, आणि इथे ईस्ट आहे म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह येईल. त्याचं क्वाड्रंट काय? साऊथ 30 डिग्री वेस्ट. तर साऊथ साऊथ आणि वेस्ट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये जी लाईन आहे, साऊथ पण निगेटिव्ह, वेस्ट पण, म्हणजे त्याचं लॅटिट्यूड अलॉंग साऊथ येईल, डिपार्चर अलॉंग वेस्ट येईल. म्हणून आपण काय केलं? दोन्हीकडे मायनस साइन दिलं. बरोबर. आणि लास्ट लाईन नॉर्थ 50 डिग्री 10 मिनिट वेस्ट. ओके, सो इथे नॉर्थ पॉझिटिव्ह आला आणि वेस्ट लिखी आलो. ठीक आहे, इकडचं समजलं. ओके, now next we have to check if the traverse is closed or not. Okay, in the last lecture I have told you what is the condition for checking the traverse is closed or not, that summation of latitude should be 0 and summation of departure should be equal to 0. Just sum up all this. Sum of all the values we are getting 214.77 minus 245.13 minus 155.88 plus 186.16. Here we'll get the value minus 0.08. And here sum up these values plus 124 plus 205.69 minus 90 and minus 235.70. Okay. So here if you sum it, you will get the value minus 0.01. What is the condition I have told you for the closed traverse? That is summation of latitude should be 0 and summation of departure should be 0. Okay. Is it 0? No, it is just near to 0. So we can consider it is as it is nearly equal to 0. We can consider it as it is nearly equal to 0. Okay. Means our traverse is closed. Okay. Compared to this length 214 meter and this is 0.08 meter, it is the negligible. So when we are getting the value like in the second decimal, then we can consider traverse is as a closed. Okay. So this traverse is closed traverse. Why? Because summation of latitude nearly equal to 0, it is summation of departure is equal to 0. Here, if we take, here we have taken the values up to 2 digit. Okay, that is 214.77 to 40.13. If we consider the third digit or fourth digit, you will get the sum nearly equal to 0. Okay, that is just here minus 0.08 you are getting because of that is the we are considering only 2 decimal places. Okay, so when it is minus in term 0.08 and 0.01, this is the second term we are getting, this we can consider it as a nearly equal to 0. Okay, so this traverse is our closed traverse. Got it? म्हणजे आपण काय केलं, कंडिशन काय आपले क्लोज ट्रॅव्हर्स साठी समेशन ऑफ लॅटिट्यूड शुड बी 0, समेशन ऑफ डिपार्चर शुड बी 0. या सर्वांची सम केली किती आला मायनस 0.08 आणि डिपार्चर सम केलं किती आले मायनस 0.01. दॅट इज नथिंग बट धिस इज नियरली इक्वल टू 0, जवळपास 0च्या जवळच आहे. ओके, सो मग आपण काय कन्सिडर करू शकतो, हा ट्रॅव्हर्स हा क्लोज ट्रॅव्हर्स आहे. सो व्हॉट वी कॅन से ॲज व्हॉट इज कंडिशन फॉर क्लोज ट्रॅव्हर्स, that summation of latitude should be 0, summation of departure, so we can say so traverse is closed. Okay, now what is the next? We have to calculate independent coordinates. Okay, in the last lecture we have studied how to calculate independent coordinate. Once more we will repeat it. The independent coordinate calculate करायचे, we have to calculate independent coordinate. So what we have to do here, what is the line AB, BC, CD and DE? So here what we do, we assume the coordinate of the first station, that is our station A. We have to assume some coordinates such that all values should come, other values should come as a positive. आपल्याला काय करावं लागतं, पहिल्या स्टेशनचे पहिल्या कोऑर्डिनेट स्टेशनचे अज्युम करावं लागतं. कसे अज्युम करावं लागतं की when we add all these things, it will comes as a positive, all values should come positive. Okay, so here you can see the maximum value is 245, here maximum value is 239. Okay, if we sum and then if we consider is a 200 both, then also we will get the all values as a positive. Okay, so I will consider as a this coordinate for the A as a north 200 and south as a 200. Okay, plus 200 and plus 200. Okay, then next station is B. Okay, next station is B here, line AB. So what is the independent coordinate for B here? Okay, latitude I have told you, this is distance we have point B from point A. Okay, so we add this distance. So what is latitude? We'll add 200 plus this 214.77. So we will get this value, get a value as a 414.77. Again we will add 200 plus 124, that we get here value as a 314. Got it? Like that we can add next coordinate for the point C, that is here we will get 414.77 minus, what is the conjugate coordinate for point C? Minus 245.13 plus 20. We have to sum this into this value to get the independent coordinate for the C. Okay, so then we'll find the coordinate of point C by adding 414.77 minus 245.13 and 324 plus 205.69. We get the coordinate of the C. Similarly, by adding any consecutive coordinate for D, that is 414.77 minus 155.88, we will get as 169, and here 220 here we will get the next coordinate 529.69 minus 90. Okay, similarly then these are the coordinate for the point D we got, and when we add for latitude departure again for the A, here we will get 13.76 plus 186.16, that is 119.91, the coordinate of A. Okay, here we can observe this is also nearly equal to 200. Okay, this difference here 0.01 is the nothing but the difference of departure, and here what we got 0.08. Okay, if we add this it will become 200. Okay, but this is due to the decimal place. If we consider one more decimal place, then our this traverse will about to close. Okay, for the simplicity and calculation I only considered the two decimal places. So here we can see we got the check, that is the coordinate of A is nearly equal to 200, and north is 200 and south is 200. Okay, so like that we can calculate the independent coordinate. Got it? Next is the plot this traverse. Okay, so we'll see how to plot this traverse. To plot the traverse, we'll draw this north axis and this is the east axis. Okay, considering this as 0 0, so here I have considered the scale as a 1 centimeter equal to 50 meter. Okay, so 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, like that. This is I have taken on the y axis and x axis. Also, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter and draw 50, 100, like that. Okay, this is same as your you plots on your graph paper. Okay, so here what is the coordinate of point A? 200, 200. Okay, so here we can get here 200 here. This is a 200 line, and from here this is our point A. Okay, this is point A. We got having coordinate 200, 200. Okay, then we'll see next coordinate point B, that is 414.77. This is north. Okay, 414. This is 400 and it's a 414. So here something here it will come, and here what is its south coordinate? Sorry, south. Sorry, it's the east. It is east, northeast. Okay, so here it is what is its east coordinate? 324. So 324. Then here it's 324. Okay, then this is your coordinate for point B. Okay, then what is next for point C? What is the coordinate? 169.4. Here 150 and here there will be somewhere 169, 169.64, and for east it is 529. Okay, here it is like this, and here we need 500 and here 550. Okay, so what is the east coordinate 529. So it will come somewhat here. Okay, so this is our point C. Here we got point C having coordinate 169.64 and 529.69. 529.69. Next, the coordinate of point D, that is northing is 13.76 and east is 439.69. The 439.69 will come here like that, and here D 13.76 means it will come somewhat here. Okay, so this is nothing but the point D. Okay, coordinate of point D is 13.76 north and east is 439. Okay, this is same as you draw your graph sheet. Okay, then we can join this like this: A to B, B to C, and C to D, and D to E. Okay, and this is our nothing but the traverse. This is complete procedure how we draw the traverse, plot the traverse. Okay, what initially we will get some data in the field, then we will compute latitude and departure for that data, we check for the traverse is closed or not, and then we calculate the independent coordinates, and by using independent coordinate we use to plot. Okay, and in next lecture we will study if this traverse is not closed, then what to do.